Please check from our area class member that you will train up 13,200 for this flight. If you are not member yet, we invite you to enjoy the program. Your assistance against the obvious for these flights. Our in-flight service today